Check out annual events and festivals. The 9 best things to do in Sitka, Alaska. Alaska Day Festival. These events are celebrated every year and are a great reason to visit Sitka. 1. Sitka Summer Music Festival, lasting for 4 weeks in June. This festival featuring chamber music brings many talented musicians to the area for concerts and events held in various venues. 2. Alaska Day Festival. Every October, a variety of events from building tours to lectures to kayak races are held, celebrating the day Alaska officially became part of the U.S. 3. Sitka Whalefest. Many marine mammals, including orcas and humpback whales, visit the waters around Sitka throughout the year. From late October into early November, the Science Festival Whalefest honors these creatures with a series of cruises, lectures, music, a marine-themed artisan market, an art show, local foods, and more.